Again, the more time and care you can take with this, the better they will turn out. Beams are extremely similar to columns. So you're going to need your paper that says beam. Again, ruler, pen, scissors, and tape. All right, and again, just like the columns, there are 2 beams per page. So beam, beam. So you're going to want to cut down this center line right here as the first thing you do. Again, we're going to score our beam, right? And scoring, we're going to score over the 1, 2, 3, 4 big dotted lines here. Whenever you see a dotted line, that means fold. So I'm going to go ahead and trace back and forth with a pen over this. This makes it a lot easier to fold because it scores or puts an indent on the paper, and it just helps you make a really nice clean fold. One more here. Never thought I'd be making how-to videos. Alright, so I have my 4 scores, so now I'm going to go ahead and fold on these lines, just like I did the column. Alright, so I find the first line, I go ahead and fold it over, make it a really nice fold. Again, you can use your ruler to go over it if you want to. I like to go back the other way, make a really sharp fold. Second line, go ahead, go over it a few times with your finger or a ruler. Even use the side of your pen or pencil if you want to. Don't just fold it over once. Third fold. Can't tell you how much easier the scoring makes it to fold. It's really worth the time in doing it. And then our 4th fold right here. Okay, so I've got these 4 nice folds here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, it's just like how I did the column. I'm going to go ahead and fold these. So I'm making a cube, a square. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, take some tape. And again, you don't need to go too crazy with the tape. I would say 3 pieces are good. 1 in the middle, 1 on one side, and 1 on the other side. Okay, and that's your beam. Now beams, you will see here, they kind of have these little markings along the side, right? These little markings are used if you need to like measure and cut. Okay, so I'm going to take one of my columns. So let's say I have another column, but I want to put it right here. I know that I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, right? So I would cut it right here. So if I needed another beam higher up, I know I would need to cut from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So columns go up and down, beams go side to side. The markings on the side of the beams are there for use to measurement in case you need to cut the beam smaller, and if you need many beams of the exact same length, you can go ahead and count those so they're all the exact same size. All right, that was how to make a beam.